No matter where, no matter when, chain flex can. Here we stand beside an indoor crane installation and observe an energy chain and our chain flex cables. Our energy chains and cables must withstand a broad range of environmental influences, such as ultraviolet radiation, cold, or dirt.
The chain flex cables installed here feature a TPE outer jacket. This material is ideally suited for use under these extremely demanding conditions. In this application, we have a chain as well as cables on a travel path of 100 meters. Such a long travels also generates high pulling and pushing forces. The modular heavy-duty roller chain, together with our TPE cable, stands up to exactly these forces.
Another advantage of our energy chains is the modular system, because here our cables can be exchanged quite easily and very quickly. All of our igus products are, of course, tested in our test laboratory and come with a 4-year guarantee.